we all choose to do something and then complain about it, so I don't want to hear it. You chose your baby mama. You chose your baby daddy. You still complain about them? Yeah, so let me complain. My hairline is so weird. It's like sometimes hard for me to just plop a wig on and go because I don't have a hairline like other people, if that makes sense. We're all unique, so I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one with this issue, but I can never just plop a wig on and go because my hairline is probably like my father's. My daddy was old, so this part coming out further than that, I can't, unless I just want a round hairline. It just does not work for me like that. Um, I'm trying to see. Definitely gonna have to cut some up in here because, yeah, I'm curved right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some adhesive spray, put it directly on my hairline. No glue. I'm not using glue. I want to use glue, but I'll be seeing y'all hairlines, and it's a hell no for me. Yeah. So this will probably only last a day or two with the spray that I'm about to use, and that's just going to have to do. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go a little bit in front of my hairline as well. Mm-hmm. Baby Ash Murray, whatever this company name is called. This company right here. To the lace companies, they say, baby, step your game up. They give you gifts. They give you a good quality wig. They give you a ear strap with ear tabs because everybody knows if you tie too tight, it hurts your ears. I love a company that listens in or pay attention. These little things right here, you just slide them to adjust, right? I don't really know how this works because it's my first time using one. Okay, so you want to stretch it. I want it on the hairline only. Boom, my ears. Oh, I love that y'all pay attention to us. Okay. I'm going to be back in about, now I got these earmuffs. You better hope I come back. I ain't even going to hold you. I ain't got to worry about my ears hurting. Y'all ate that. Y'all ate that. I ain't got to worry about my ears hurting. I can leave this side down as long as I need to. But I'm going to be back in like 5 minutes, though, because it's starting to get hot. And I need to get this wig tacked down before it starts lifting up. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back. Let's see what needs to be done. Peel it off. Real ashy. Real flaky. It's getting eczema. It's giving eczema. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. How do we fix this? Okay, I am seeing little pieces left up as well. So let me start off by combing the baby hairs back off, and then that'll show me what needs to be tacked down. Be gentle with this part, because if you pull your lace out, then you gotta do it again. Listen to your hair, your body, and your gut. Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looked like. Majority of it is combed out. And as you can see, this is a very natural hairline. Forget the ash, we're gonna get rid of that. I'm just looking at the hairline in general. Like, look at the hair that they used for this lace. This is like what my real edges is like right now. Look at this. So mine has the flakes. That's just, mine has the flakes. Look at the texture. This is crazy work. So what I did was comb it out to kind of make it mimic my hairline, how my hairline is, because I kind of want this to look a little realistic. So you'll see I got some long pieces out. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those. And I'm gonna take some, what do I want to use? I was thinking about some mousse because I've seen two tutorials and they say that these are not the type of edges that is going to slip down. So you can't do like dramatic edges with these. And I seen one that said unless you use a hot comb on them. And I think then I see a video where someone actually using a hot comb on the edges. So I think I'm gonna be that one because I want to see what it looks like. Like my edges look like this before I blow dry. So once I blow dry, it do get a lot more straighter. And I know that might defeat the purpose of the video. I mean the wig, but this is my hairstyle, and I'm gonna do to my head how I want to do it. So I like it. Duh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use. I had some. I'm gonna use some Eco Styler gel. You might be like, "What? Don't worry about it. You gotta just trust the process on this." So give me a second. So I'm hoping that when I put this gel on here, this is my goal. This is the reason. I needed to separate where I want my baby hairs to be, but I also don't want it to make it hard, crispy, and crunchy. I also wanted to help melt in this little flat, the hairline a little. So yeah, I needed to separate so I can do what I need to with the baby hairs. I needed to clear up the ashiness, but I needed to be soft enough so I can still comb through it. And that just sounds like equal style to me. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm gonna make sure that I actually touch. Oop, my. I'm gonna make sure I actually touch the wig cap a little bit. Because we're gonna, and you probably gotta move fast with this, because I don't know if this is gonna lift the lace. Lord, I don't know if this is gonna lift the lace. Please don't lift the lace. I'm gonna move a little quick, okay? Quicker than normal, because just in case. And you might be like, y'all know, my videos are 100% trust process. And if it come out ugly, you won't see it until I think it's cute. Duh. Right? And then immediately, before it's too late, you're gonna go ahead and put this back on. Tightly. Yeah. Grab the band and then I'll adjust it. I probably just made that way harder than what it had to be, but make sure it's in the right spot. And for a tight snug, instead of using the Velcro on this, see if I tie it. Struggle bus, struggle bus. Okay, you know, the Velcro won't come over here. And again, my loves, we're going to trust the process. I'm gonna leave this on for a good little minute. I'm gonna go do my toes. Because I need this to be completely dry. I need a demarcation. I need to be able to see where the edge is at, and a melt is what I'm hoping for. And so I'm gonna go and do my toes. And then I gotta find my press on first. I lost my the press on that I wanted to use. But I'm gonna find them. So I'm gonna go do that, let this melt in. What else I'm gonna do? Put my press on, press my toes, all that good stuff. You don't need to know all that. Just know I'll be back when I'm taking this off. And then I'll let you know how long it's been on. Because right now, goodness gracious, I'll cut the little hairs back there. Unhand me. Like, it's been like 2 hours, maybe past 2 hours. Don't really know. It's been over an hour. And I had to put a little paper towel back here because this little Velcro on here was snagging my real hairs. We don't play those type of games. So let me go ahead and take this off. Whew. Let's see. What's supposed to work with that? I'll peel down. Okay. And the ear tabs is removable. But my little ears is still red. Okay? Still red, so still be cautious. And we are going to we are going to what are we going to do? Come on. Do this. Okay? This is what she's giving. I told you to home. She's very crinkly at the root. Stick with me. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Mm-hmm. Stick with me. We're going somewhere. We're going. Mm-hmm. My good black stick missing. I don't know where it's at. So hopefully just do what I needed to do as well. I'm going to just put some in here. Okay. To help with the slicking. Sleeking of the hair. Okay. If I was brave, I would take this and hit my edges. That's why y'all brave bitches. I'm not her. Okay? I'm going with this. Yeah, because I'm not trying to burn my skin off. This for you brave bitches. For me. Give me a second. And while that's heating up, go ahead and comb your edges out. See? Uh-huh. See? Uh-huh. You gotta use something that you know that's gonna to not be hard and crispy. It can't be hard and crispy. And I'm definitely gonna cut some of these edges because the edges are edging. Okay? Be careful, because you don't want to lift. You just want to loosen up the hair. And I'm also going to pluck some as well. So I got some plucking to do. And finish combing these out. Some cutting to do, some plucking to do, some cutting to do, some plucking to do. I'm liking the wig. I'm not even going to hold them, and even on the front. I'm not even going to lie. I'm just trying to cut the edges based on how mine are in my real hair. It's kind of what I'm going for. Okay. So far, so far, so so far, so far, so far. I'm gonna go in with my Parental Queen Lace Melting Spray, and I needed to do exactly what it said it's gonna do. It's shape well, okay. Now, according to TikTok, this is gonna label out of my right. It said technically I could use this where I use their other adhesive spray, but I ain't read the directions until just now, so my bad. But either way, the girls who I've seen use it on TikTok, they had already had their lace, already had their lace down like me. Okay, so I'm gonna take it, and I got a little brush. I can use a bigger brush, but I don't feel like going upstairs to get it. Matter of fact, I am going upstairs to get it. Give me a second. Okay, now all I can say is if this spray do exactly what it did for the people on TikTok, then this is a game changer. This, I went upstairs, I got my brush, I'm gonna put it on the brush, put it in the top, put it on the brush, and we're gonna see if this lace actually disappeared. Now, I can't say the girls that was doing it, when they was making their lace disappear, it was on their edges, it wasn't far back like this. So hopefully that don't make a difference, but we got to see. Come on, Frontal Queen, spray, don't let me down, don't let me down, don't let me down. Okay, get the brush in there. I'm nervous, my stomach just dropped. Let's see. Supposed to put it on, it's supposed to disappear. I don't know if you blow dry it. I don't know if you're supposed to blow dry it and then put your melting spray on. That little piece right, that kind of disappeared for it, bro. Right? I'm not wowed, right? I'm not in awe. I'm trying to move a little fast because I don't want it to lift the lace. I want it to melt the lace. So I think I'm going to hit it with a cool blow dry for just a little bit, just so it don't lift. And then I'm going to tie it down for the after 30 minutes like the box suggested. We're going to see. We're going to see. And immediately, going back on with the, we're going back on with the top for another 30 minutes to an hour. And when I come back, it should be, it should be, it should be. I'm gonna get this situated and then I'll be back. It's been almost an hour. Let's see. It's giving. Let's see. Okay, give me a second. It's still giving crusty. No, well, certain areas is getting crusty. Little crusty, KFC, crispy, crackety, crunchy. See, let's go in with some makeup. Little bit of makeup, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of makeup. I sound like the lobster from Little Mermaid. Give me a second. Okay, so this is a perfect shade match, almost perfect shade match for me. And I always go in with something a little bit darker, but I'm actually gonna try this. Don't do me wrong. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. Okay, I probably do need a little bit darker. Not gonna hold it. I ain't even gonna front. I ain't even gonna lie. So she to be front. Probably should cut it. Straighten it after I cut it. That's what I don't want right there. I should have straightened it, then cut it. Now I'm about to burn it. Okay. Be careful. Give me a second. Again, before I spray. Now that I got some makeup on it, hopefully, okay? But I'm gonna put some in the top, and I'm actually gonna blow dry it this time. And immediately blow dry. So I did a half-ass job flat ironing this hair for one. My arms got tired. For two, my ears are hurting. And for three, I'm just gonna throw it up in a ponytail, but tell me she's not giving a blowout. She's not giving blowout. You're telling me she's not giving blowout. She's giving 100% blowout. But ooh, so I take this band off because my ears hurt. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, hold on. Let's see, let's see. Let's see what do I get out. Shut it. Ooh, no, no. I can't think I just did that. Go ahead. Go ahead with the game out. Shut it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at my polar ears. They still red. Even with the little, look at it. It's how it's supposed to be. Still red. I'm gonna see if I can soften these up some. Mm-hmm. We all choose to do something and then complain about it, so I don't want to hear it. You chose your baby mama. You chose your baby daddy. You still complain about them? Yeah, so let me complain. What about this hair if I want to? My ears, I mean, let me complain about my ears if I want to. Mm-hmm. They need to make a, somebody preferably black. Can y'all make a hot comb with smaller teeth? Like, teeth like that. Or smaller. Real fine. So we can, get those spots and lay it down real nicely. Right? Real nicely. Okay, so I got some moves. I pray. I'm not gonna do a lot, but I pray this don't lift my hair up. I just need it to melt and lay the edges down just a little bit more. That's all I want, Lord. Please. Please don't let me have that other hard work for nothing. Okay. Just gonna put it like a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. See if we can do something with the edges. And from there, we're just gonna tie it down with something satin, and I'm probably going to sleep like this, honestly. And then I'll be back tomorrow because I've been working with my hair long enough today. And since it's tied, so when I go to sleep, I'm gonna put my bonnet on. I'm gonna leave it in a bun. I'm gonna put my bonnet on, and I'm gonna leave this on, and then I'll be back in the morning or sometime tomorrow. So my outfit will probably change to show you the final look. It's gonna eat down because it's already eating down.